That's how it is. They are not our bosses to tell us what to do, what not to do. Theirs is to count our votes with the citizens. And if we believe there is something wrong, it is our right that we tell them, and they must act and solve that problem before they announce that this is yet. And you can imagine this time around, I'm sure the word that is normally used, these elections were free and fair. I'm not sure whether they did say it. Did they? The media, what did he say? Did they see what was happening in the media? The stealing of boxes and all? Why did they keep quiet? Why? Now, I'm making these points because I want to tell you, we fought and got our democracy. There's no longer any democracy in South Africa. I am an example. I went into prison when I never committed any crime. I served in apartheid. At least the apartheid in their laws and constitution had committed crime, and I disagreed with them even then. And they sentenced me 10 years. Under democracy, I served 15 months, having committed no crime, having been at no court that dealt with me. If we don't notice that South Africa is moving back to what do you call it, by the way? What is another word of such government? Dictatorship. Dictatorship of those who have the money. Dictatorship. Are we ready to stand for this and just keep quiet, we who can write or talk to the newspapers, whatever? Now, where have you ever heard that such a big member of political parties, not one, not Umkhonto wesizwe that people don't like, the whole big group of political parties all complaining simultaneously that we are robbed here, we want this to be looked at, and people who are supposed to be helping us, I see, say sorry, we're not doing it. People who are supposed to be looking at the law and the respect of the law in the country, the judges are there making people to, what is it, take an oath. Take an oath. When they know that there are complaints, they are supposed to be looking after our democracy. Now, nobody, for an example, I'm not sure whether I've had, maybe I don't read the newspapers, because who has raised the issue about the number of political parties who are not happy with the decision of the IEC? Who? Is that not a story to write? Are you part of the democratic country? Because democracy does not allow such things. I'm not asking you questions because you said we are not supposed to be asked questions. I don't know why. Because we are also human beings like us. Now, it's saying it was the I mean, you have elections ongoing. Suddenly, the machines have crashed. There's been no investigation from real what to call it? Investigating terrorism. Because you guys terrorize us. You terrorize us. Other people don't terrorize. Now, I'm saying this because I want to put it into our mind. Be fair, deal with the issues with anyone on the equal basis. Very important. Now, I want to say we are slowly moving towards a situation. There are people in South Africa, if they commit no crime, but they get charged, everything happens. We have an example of a leader of a party this side. What is it? It's called, what is your name, by the way? I'm saying this because we are here, and I thought I should not lose this opportunity. He was charged of not having looked after the people he was in charge of. Yeah, it's called oversight, but that's what it is in Zulu. Now, the man was waiting to be charged in the trial going on, whatever. Then you have a head of state whose home is found with a mattress full of money. Even his organization does not chase him out, but they chase a man without being found guilty or any evidence. That's how you guys report. And to make it easy, the judges says no, the man, there's no wrongdoing. Yeah. But everybody who keeps the money above what is, he gets charged, arrested. But others, we have got a democracy that has eyes. There are people they see when they commit, even if they didn't. There are those they don't see, even if they commit crimes. I'm making this point because we are sitting here today. We ought not to be here. IEC should have taken our complaints, which are very heavy and serious. They decide not to do it. In our country, we can do it, no problem. In democratic countries, we cannot do it. Where is democracy? We who fought for democracy feel strong about it. Because we suffered. We went to prison, we went to exile, we were called all names. I don't see why you know exactly what has happened to these elections. Very little reporting about it. That's not democracy. Democracy says no one must do something wrong and be left because of their positions or their money or whatever. That's not democracy. Now we've got it to go, and I want to tell you what our legal person was telling you this time around. You wanted to know this. The judges here who make judgments according to their thinking, not about what are the facts, they are likely to say this is all wrong. We are going to the international court so that this country does not have the South African judges doing so. Judges who get angry and sentence you because they hate you. We are going to the judges that look at things, look at issues. We are going there. It's fine that people are in government now, and I hope they did not commit anything wrong, because we are going to dig and dig and dig until the truth comes through. We do need to be respected as political parties. You cannot, as a country, have so many political parties saying things did not go wrong. Things do not go wrong. Things went wrong.